Hey, welcome to my channel. Thanks guys for being here. My tip of the day. Welcome, good morning, wherever you are in the world. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Thanks for being here, guys. Really appreciate it. So, my tip of the day today, you could get my words out then, is about setting your email campaigns, weekly newsletters for a certain time. Now, this might take some testing, very much depending on who your audience is. Okay, now think about it. If you're targeting shift workers, okay, they might be working night shifts, they might be on a break, say around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, possibly between 1 and 3 maybe. So 1 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the morning might be the sweet spot for you to send out a newsletter, a reminder of a particular launch for your perfect audience. Now, my perfect audience are generally people in their 45s to 55, 60 kind of bracket. Okay, so we are midlifers, we are empty nesters potentially for a lot of them, and we have a busy work-life balance. So a lot of us midlifers might be working 40, 50, 60 hours a week anyway. So when I send my emails, I will generally aim for around 6 or 7 o'clock at night, which is generally after they've had their dinner and they're settling down for the evening, certainly on a Sunday. Sunday's different. When I send my newsletter out, I'll aim for around 4 o'clock. And the reason being either 10 o'clock or 4 o'clock. So 10 o'clock is they get up in the morning, they've had a bit of a lazy morning, they're coming around, they've had their breakfast, they can check their emails. 10 o'clock's a good time on a Sunday morning for me. And then likewise, the reason I flip it from 10 till 4 is purely because of the time zone differences. So 10 a.m. in the morning for UK is great. 4 p.m. in the afternoon is great for your Central Standard Time and so on across the US, because they tend to be 6 hours behind us. So those two time slots work really well for me because it's at the start and at the end of a Sunday. So it's not interfering with family time during the day, and it's at a time where they might be settling down for the afternoon or just getting up in the morning. So think about this, think about who your perfect customer is when you're setting the time schedule for your email campaigns and newsletter. Test a few different time slots, see how, again, look at your analytics, okay, through your autoresponder system. Have a look when you're getting the best open rates. Pay attention to that, because that could be the big difference in whether you're making sales or not, or to the level that you could be. Hope that helps, guys. It's so important. Don't ignore your analytics on your autoresponder. Test the process, test different time slots, have a real deep dive into who your perfect customer is and what times would work best for their busy lives. Hope that helped. I'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, click that button, click the bell so you get the notifications tomorrow for the next one. See you guys. All the best.